Welcome to Tech Solution. Linksys Atlas Max 6e Setup. The Linksys Atlas Max 6e is a powerful and advanced router designed to provide seamless connectivity for your home or office. Setting up the Linksys Atlas Max 6e is essential for unlocking its full potential. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. 1. Unpack the router. Carefully unpack the Linksys Atlas Max 6e router and ensure that all the components are intact. 2. Connect to power. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power source. Turn on the router by pressing the power button if applicable. 3. Connect to the modem. Use the provided Ethernet cable to connect the router to your internet modem. Ensure a secure connection. 4. Access the setup page on your computer or mobile device. Connect to the Wi-Fi network broadcasted by the Linksys Atlas Max 6e. Once connected, open a web browser. 5. Access the router's web interface in the web browser. Enter http://linksysmartwifi.com or the router's default IP address 192.168.1.1 in the address bar and press enter. 6. Log in if prompted. Enter the default username and password for the router. You can find this information in the router's documentation. 7. Complete the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup of the router. This may include setting up Wi-Fi network names and passwords. 8. Customize settings. Once the basic setup is complete, explore the router's settings interface to customize features such as parental controls, guest networks, and advanced Wi-Fi settings. 9. Firmware update. Check for any firmware updates for the router and install them to ensure optimal performance and security. 10. Final checks. After completing the setup, test the Wi-Fi connection and ensure that all your devices can connect seamlessly to the new network. Thanks for watching.